Hey guys, we're back with a how-to video on my 2000 Jeep Cherokee. So it's unlocked, but it won't open. So I did see a couple of tricks where if you push here or around the license plate, you can, manage to pry it open, like it'll unlock itself, I guess. Does not work for me, not at all. I've tried it probably 200 times, and I'm not even exaggerating, it just won't open. So what you got to do in that situation is you got to go on the inside, pull back the panel, reach down there, pull the lever, and then it pops open. So I'll show you how to do that. Alright, so what you got to do, there's this plastic that is attached by a couple of rivets, so you just want to pop them gently though. Be gentle, you don't want to break the plastic. If you break the plastic, you're gonna have to replace the whole thing, and nobody wants to do that. So I've got it pried open pretty decent so I can squeeze my arm in there, but there still is, let's see if I can get a good look in here. It's still pretty tight, and you want to get down in there. See that? I think you can see that little lever right there. You see that? Right under the big 2 bolts right there. Yeah, so that's what you want to grab and lift up. And it might be kind of hard to see. Let's see if I can get a better picture of it. All right, sorry if this is a little shaky, but I'm trying to do this 2 hands and hold the phone and the flashlight and hold back the plastic. But you see that right there? Right there? Yeah, that, where that little green thing is, that's what you want to pull out. So I'm gonna do that and it should open. Let's see. And it is kind of tight. Luckily I got really skinny arms, so it's not too bad. You do have to finagle it a little bit. Come on. Got it. Like I said, you gotta fight with it. And if you don't have skinny arms, then you might wanna take the plastic off a little bit more than I did. And you can still see some remnants of my poison ivy on my arm, so that did not feel good, but that's how you get it open. Little effort, but you can get it open. And my hydraulic lifts, they're shot, so it won't stay open, so I'm just holding it open for now. But yeah, if you like seeing videos on my Jeep, let me know in the comments and I'll keep doing them. Also, hit that like button, and if you're not already, please subscribe. That'd be wicked awesome. So 2 videos this week, and I will see you guys next Sunday. Also, before I stop, right there, right where that light is where, on the other side, is where that hornet's nest was. And I did the same thing the other day, and my arm was right over it. Could have been bad. Could have been real bad. All right, I'll see you guys next week.